So this is the radio or the radio bezel heater control panel out of Draugr. Half these lights don't work. Plan is to take it apart, figure out what's going on. I originally was going to take the one out of Krampus and put in here because I plan on doing something totally different with that one. But mine being an all-wheel drive RT, I have different controls. I have independent heats, temperature control, where Krampus just has your basic run-of-the-mill, cheap, hot or cold. There's no temperature control of either side. It's basically got two knobs, one for your fan control, one for your direction control, and one knob for your hot to cold. Plus, Draugr has the ESP off, which doesn't really make a difference. In my case, because I can't shut off all-wheel drive. But Krampus does not. It's just a rear-wheel drive. So, yep, here we go. All I gotta do is take a tool, snaps in there. These little clips right here hold it. You can see them up top here, one on each side. Move my fingers. Got two at the bottom. They make a tool. I'll show that here in a little bit. We'll unsnap this from its location. We're going to relay, because my workbench is not the best. I don't want to scratch it up. So we're going to lay that down. There's a plug right here that you have to unplug if your stuff is like mine. You also have two plugs back here. This, pronounced to me, is bolted, so it will not snap out. It comes out with the bezel. So we're going to see if I have sockets that small. So we're going to figure out how to pull this apart, get to the LEDs, and see if you're just snapped in here somehow. Yep. I think I'm figuring it out. Yep, there we go. Of course, you want to take your time. Stuff like this, when you know that there isn't much replacement out there for it, you want to be careful. Hopefully everybody can still see that. Now, to figure out how this comes apart. All right, very carefully. Just pry on it to get the knobs off. Now, as you can see, that one's still blue, that one's still blue, which these two still work. All these are dead. So, I think I hope I didn't just break that. I think I did. Yep, I did. Okay. Well, that sucks. I was hoping that they just fall apart. But I do not think they do. Nope. Okay. So, in order to fix these, we are going to have to get the soldering gun out. Sorry, that's a little dirty. It was bugging me. I think it's the sensor for the heat control. Okay. My fear is the LEDs I have might not work. So, all right. I got some LEDs. We're going to see how this works. We're going to try to fix this. I'm not very good at soldering. Yes, worst case scenario, it'll be the same as it was before. Kind of. Come to realize that those two don't work without a connection between these two.
have a feeling that my fault isn't needs to hire, but I don't think that how our orders go. We're drowning in paperwork, then actually drowning careless writing out checks at a state where pirates are forging out this copier and then I wake up. Don't let hiring nightmares ruin your dreams. LinkedIn Jobs' new AI assistant goes beyond the resume, using unique insights to deliver a smarter shortlist. Post your job for free at linkedin.com/Pandora. Start hiring today.
So this is a heater control board for Drauger. This one, and this one were shot, as you can see. So these pop right off. But these are different colors than these. So what I did is I popped them all, the three that were bad, off. Took apart a couple of LEDs that I can't use anywhere, and soldered them into place. This one over here, because I was one short of the square, so it's a little bit different, but it's the same color. Took it apart, and well, took some work, trial and error. These two I had backwards. I had to take it back apart, switch them, resolder them. These three I got lucky with somehow. I got them right off the bat. But, so, there we go. Now we're going to put it back together, put it back in, and check if everything works. So this snaps into here. Like so. And it's just a matter of plugging, snapping it in the dash. Alright, my little stand ain't working. There's one plug. There's a plug, there's a plug. And then, like I said, it just snaps into place. Unfortunately, my stand ain't working very well. I can't set it up properly. So, just wanted to show you that real quick, and then we'll show you it running. Looks like I'm going to have to change my radio color. But there you go. Everything's lit up. There, that all matches. So you can rebuild the heater control and put LEDs, swap them out and get it to work. Everything still works.